All right, welcome back. Sorry about that other video that ended abruptly. You didn't miss anything. Um, so we're on Kids Sites Challenge. This is part 3, video 3. And we just finished um, giving rights to our document so that people can see our Google Slides. Um, Option number 2 was to insert a Google Doc. So if you wanted to do a doc instead of a slides, that's fine if that's what you have. Go ahead and add that wherever you wanted to add that in the math page, science, whatever. So let's continue on with building our site now that we've added something. I'm going to click over here on themes, and I'm going to get rid of my camera. So these themes, I'm just going to click on these and show you guys what they do. It changes the text a little bit. It adds some color a little bit. So if your favorite color is blue, pink, green, those are some like pastel type colors. If you want to make some more vibrant colors, this impression is a whole lot brighter colors. There's my yellow, green. Notice that that's adding over here on this color palette, whatever this clicker thing here is. This paint, I call it a paint dauber, but if you click on your paint dauber, you can add the color to your website. So it adds that color to that bar. So I'm going to stick with, the gray looks really cool, but let's do green. So that's themes. And then now we need to publish our website. It's ready. It's official. We've made all of our pages and we need to go ahead and publish. So up here at the top, I'm going to click on publish. And your site starts with sites.google.com/students.w5sd.net. Mine is going to be Joe Camacho Portfolio. Okay. Your teacher can give you some advice on this. If you just want to use your first and last name, you can do that. Just to keep it simple. And notice that when you hit the space bar, there's a dash. You can't change that. So don't worry about it. And don't worry about what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put 55 because I made a bunch of these sites. So Joe Camacho was already taken. Y'all don't do that. I'm going to click on anyone on the web can view this portfolio. So what that means is the top one, only your friends that go to school with you, they have to be signed in and they can see your website. And only your teachers that work here, they have to be signed in with their Google account and they can view your website. So yeah, I'm going to use anyone on the web, and then you can allow your site to appear in search results. That's up to your teacher. I would just leave it anyone on the web. That's all you need to do. So let's click publish. And this is going to take a sec. But now our website has been published, and I can click on view. And this is my for real website. You guys just made a website. I'm going to pause and see what's coming up next. All right, so let's talk about the Google shortener. Now that your web page is all finished up, we need to get our... Sorry, I was on the wrong tab. Here is your finalized web page. By the way, yes, this is your for real web page, all right? This is what your for real web page looks like. This tab over here is where you build your web page. This is not the link that we need. We're about to talk about this. We need this link to give to our teacher. So the one we need is over here on this web page. This obviously looks like your for real web page, and it has your name right here, by the way. You can easily tell. All right, so let's talk about turning this into our teacher. We need to use the Google shortener. So I'm going to open up a new tab. You guys up here at the top, the little box, the little gray box and the little gray bar, click on that. And I'm going to search for Google Shortener, Google space SHORTENER, shortener. So that's SHORTENER. And you know what? I take that back. I'm not even going to redo this video. Let's go to the Chrome Web Store. So ignore what I just said. Chrome Web Store. And then browse to, or click on the very first result is Chrome Web Store. People make mistakes, right? So now let's search for the Google Shortener, shortener. All right. So there it is. It looks like a cube that's being squished by a metal vise. It's kind of a gray button or gray logo. Mine has already been added. So you guys will have to click on the blue Add to Chrome button. Go ahead and do that now. I'll give you a minute. You might have to click on Accept or click on Install or something like that. Go ahead and take care of that. I'll pause. All right, so now that you guys have added the Google Shortener, we don't need this window anymore. I'm going to try and switch back to my other web page. There we go. So yeah, this is the web page that you need to be on. This is your for real website. I can't stress that enough. Don't give me the wrong link. All right, so we're going to click on the Google URL shortener. And that made this link right here. Well, that's not what I want. I want a QR code because QR codes are cool. So I'm going to click on QR code. And now you have your QR code made up. So your parents can scan, get out their phones and scan this, and it'll take you to your website. So, but we need to copy this and send this into our teacher. I'm going to take 2 fingers and touch the touchpad. Notice that I am, sorry, let me do that again. I'm hovered over my QR code. Let's take 2 fingers and then click on copy image. Do not hit this copy button. Make sure you click on copy image. All right, and so now we have that image copied. We're about to at this point, your teacher should have placed a Google drawing in your Google Classroom. I don't have that set up right now, so I'm just going to proceed to Google Drawings. So you guys should be browsing to your teacher's Google Classroom, and hopefully they have a Google Drawing already made up. Teachers, if you don't have that set up, it's fine. Just do what I'm doing right here. So let's go to here. I'll tell you what, we're going to click on our box of dots, and we're going to go to Google Drive. We're almost there, by the way, on that Google search, but I'm going to show you all a better way to get there. So let's click on New, and then More, and then Google Drawings. And that is going to load up my Google Drawing. So let me wrap up this video. I'm about to run out of my time limit. So let's go ahead and wrap this up, and I'll see you on the next video.